Safety Toolbox Talk. Excavation. Introduction. Trenches are potential killers. The majority of fatal trench accidents occur where the depth is less than 1.5 meter. A cubic meter of earth can weigh over 1.5 tons, which will crush a man. Prior to any digging, carry out thorough checks for services. Plan excavations, including shoring requirements, safe access, or egress, etc. Ensure any support or shoring materials are present on site prior to commencing excavations. Points to remember. Excavations must be supported or batted back where necessary to prevent collapse. Use ladders for access or egress. Provide edge protection around excavations to protect other workers, the public, etc. Keep soil heaps, tools, and vehicles back away from the edge of excavations. Never throw tools or materials into an excavation, always pass hand to hand or lower on a rope. Wear suitable PPE, including head and foot protection. Do not jump across excavations, provide suitable bridges where required. If vehicles are to be used to fill, then position stops to ensure vehicles cannot drive into excavations. Excavations must be inspected prior to entry, at the start of each shift, and after any destabilizing event, including heavy rain. Excavations must be regularly inspected by a competent person, and the results recorded. Please answer below questions in comments box. 1. How to prevent vehicles from falling in excavation. 2. What must be checked prior to excavating? Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe our channel.